वेलकम बैक टू EOSCL स्पोर्ट्स राउंडअप। मेरे साथ दो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं मिल्टन क्रिकेट क्लब के। ये एक नया क्लब फॉर्म हुआ है मिल्टन में और ये यूथ सेंटर्ड क्लब है और इसके हवाले से काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो शेयर हो चुकी है ऑन सोशल मीडिया। बट हमने सोचा कि हम EOSCL के प्लेटफॉर्म से उन लोगों को यहाँ पे दावत देते हैं जो एक्चुअली बिहाइंड दिस क्लब एंड दे आर रनिंग दैट शो। So let's chat with them. Harun bhai, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
और जोसेफ भाई, सर जी क्या हाल है? How are you?
I'm very fine. Pleasant day. Good to be here and happy to be here too.
Good. अच्छा जोसेफ भाई, we'll start with you. Milton Cricket Club, right? एक तो आप जो है you are part of Youth Cricket League, right? Which has been running, जिसके आप part थे, you are working on it. Why there is a need to form a Milton Cricket Club for youth? What was the reason behind?
So, cricket is passion,
Yes.
and I've been part of EOSCL for nearly 7 years now. Being part of the youth cricket helped me understand that in Canada we need to grow the sport, especially with the youth, because most of us have immigrated from countries like from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, who have got already knowledge of cricket, played cricket in any kind of level. But the youth that has been growing over here has got very few knowledge of that and a bit of knowledge of that. So I think it's more encouraging to see the youth grow in that. We continue that tradition of playing cricket, and this is one of the reasons we have established this cricket club in Milton, because we don't have a cricket club in Milton, and I think this is the best time that we are going to do this and start this club.
Good. So what I gathered from you is more around giving out opportunity to the youth, because बड़ों को तो मिल जाती है,
Of course.
right? Youth का that's where the challenges और उनको
Yeah.
ज़्यादा वो opportunities नहीं मिल सकती जो आप लोग provide कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
Is that fair?
Correct.
to say?
That's true. That's true.
So Harun भाई, how do you link it with, क्योंकि आप भी जो है वो कोच रह चुके हो, right? Youth from EOSCL perspective. So Milton Cricket Club जब आता है तो from that perspective क्या change है जो आप देख रहे हो कि it could be more better for the youth coming up?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो इसमें हमने जो है वो एज ग्रुप्स बनाए हुए हैं. इट कुड बी I'm not going to disclose a lot, but it could be under 9, under 12, under 16, under 19, something like that. And इसमें हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि जो भी इंडिविजुअल्स आए हमारे पास, हम उनको बेस्ड ऑन स्किल लेवल हम उनको डिवाइड करें. Whether they could be beginners or they could be intermediate level
Within that age group.
within that age group. और अगर कोई बिगिनर में है एंड ही गेट्स गुड कोचिंग, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों जो है उनकी स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी होती है, दे जस्ट नीड इट्स लाइक अ प्लेन, दे जस्ट नीड रनवे टू टेक ऑफ. तो उनको अगर कोचिंग हम जब उनको बेहतरीन देंगे, दे हैव अ वेरी गुड चांस टू मूव अप द लैडर व्हिच कुड बी एन इंटरमीडिएट लेवल. और अगर उनकी स्किल्स बहुत ही अच्छी हैं तो हम उनको एक एज ग्रुप के इंटरमीडिएट से हम उनको आगे वाले ग्रुप के जो है वो इंटरमीडिएट लेवल में प्रमोट कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a 9-year-old kid could be facing as a batsman a 19-year-old bowler, depending on the skill level. तो इसमें एक तो जो है वो हम ये कर रहे हैं. दूसरा ये कि वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि इसमें हम वो ट्रेडिशनल टेप बॉल जो है वो हम यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
बॉल कौन सी है ये विल डिस्क्लोज इट लेटर, लेकिन जो ट्रेडिशनल आपकी जो टेप बॉल है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं नॉर्मली, वो हम इसमें यूज़ नहीं कर रहे, बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग टू डेवलप अ स्किल.
Okay.
और इसके थ्रू जो है वो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम प्लेयर्स को और स्किल्स को चैनल करें ताकि वो आगे जाकर जो है वो कनाडा के लिए कनाडा को रिप्रेजेंट कर सके.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ जोसेफ भाई जो व्हाट वी हैव सीन जो हमारे बच्चों में काफ़ी पाई जाती है, देयर फिटनेस लेवल इज नॉट दैट अप टू द मार्क, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव सीन इन यूथ क्रिकेट एज वेल. तो आप फिटनेस के लिए व्हाट्स योर प्लान, व्हाट आर यू ब्रिंगिंग इनटू द टेबल?
Let's start from there here now. हम लोगों के बच्चे जो है ना अभी बड़े हो रहे, they are spending most of their time on the screen.
Yes.
So the distance between their bed is the couch and the TV. So
Sometimes closer to the eyes as well.
किसी को नीचे करने का ये नहीं है. I don't have any intentions of trying to put anyone down. But if you look at the youth fitness level is very bad. And we did the youth program that we did in December and January, right? And most of the kids that joined in had a very big problem with their fitness. They could not run 2 rounds. They could not run 2 rounds, which was shocking and sad also at the same time. So we took it upon ourselves to train these boys in fitness. I was born in Kuwait, but I was raised in India. उधर हम लोग we had nothing to entertain ourselves. Sports ही था हम लोगों के पास.
Exactly.
Cricket, soccer, volleyball, यही खेलते थे हम लोग. बारिश हो या सर्दी हो या धूप हो, हम लोग खेलते थे.
True.
So we had that kind of fitness level at some capacity. तो हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स में जाते तो रनिंग, एथलेटिक्स. So I grew up in athletics. So I was 100 meter, 200 meter. So I grew with fitness. Now at this age, I don't play cricket, but I'm more involved into strength and conditioning because I also do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
And you are certified.
I'm certified in a way. So I'm a blue belt now.
So don't mess with him.
It's not about messing. It calms me down in a way also. So I introduced that strength and conditioning, more of conditioning to gain that fitness, and it has developed most of our kids. And I was astonished to see some boys after 2 months. The amount of fitness that they have gained was astonishing.
Very good.
I could not believe my eyes, and I'm like, "Are you the same boy that we trained?" And they were, the most important thing, they were proud of it. The boys were proud of it, and they're like, "Yeah, I go to the gym now. I eat well." And this is where I come in now in the cricket club. So इस टाइम में जब मैं क्रिकेट क्लब में आ रहा हूँ, मिल्टन क्रिकेट क्लब में, my sole focus will be on strength and conditioning. Fitness is going to be my main goal, and I'll be developing a curriculum based on their skill levels. Again on their age, what is their capacity. When they join in, we are going to see what is their fitness test first. We are going to test them on their fitness, and based on that, we will see where they can fit. That is where also Arun Bhai will come in, and he will tell me, okay, this can go here, this boy can go here, but also I will give my input on their strength and conditioning and their fitness also at the same time.
Very good. So Arun Bhai, एक तो fitness की हमने बात की. Coaches are very important, right? When it comes to cricket or when it comes to youth cricket like that. We have seen, and you guys both were part of YCL as a coach. Milton Cricket Club में क्या आप change ला रहे हो from coaching perspective? What are you bringing in?
देखिए, there are two big changes. Number one, के majority of the coaches जो हैं वो active players हैं.
Oh, that's very good.
कोई बंदा ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसकी ये पार्ट टाइम जॉब होगी. यार कुछ करने को नहीं है, चलो EOSCL में कोचिंग करते हैं. No, if we are bringing a product in the market, we're making sure we bring it with proper quality.
Right.
जो कि कम्युनिटी को जिसकी ज़रूरत है, वो लोग जो क्रिकेट में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं उनकी ज़रूरत है. बिकॉज एक ख़राब कोच जो है वो आपकी इंटरेस्ट ख़त्म भी कर सकता है क्रिकेट. तो द प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द कोच, और हमारी पूरी कोशिश है, इनफैक्ट कोशिश नहीं, हम इसमें काफ़ी हद तक कामयाब भी हैं, कि जो हमारे जो कोचेस हैं इस क्लब के, वो सारे एक्टिव प्लेयर्स हैं.
They are
actually playing in different leagues, and they're coming here and sharing their experience, what they have experienced in the past, what they might have experienced on that day in the game. That's one. Second thing is, excuse me, कि इसमें, or anybody who joins, that's very very important point. इसमें जो हमारे पास अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल आता है और वो एक अच्छा प्लेयर है, we can offer him the opportunity to coach.
That's very good.
We can actually offer him the opportunity to coach. So do not be surprised जब आप उधर आए और आपको ये लगे कि यार एक 16 साल का बच्चा मुझे कोच कर रहा है. That's because he stands out amongst the crowd.
And he has far more better skills.
Far better skills than anybody else in the club. Right. Which is the reason why. Because remember, the purpose is to provide the quality, not the quantity. तो अगर एक 16 साल का बच्चा भी अगर आपको टीच करते हुए नजर आए, तो think 10 times before you say यार ये क्यों कोच कर रहा है, because he can actually outplay you in a game, and it's a good opportunity for a youngster जिसको भी हम पिक करेंगे as a coach, कि उसके लिए भी वो उसकी लीडरशिप स्किल्स डेवलप होंगी, वो मेंटरिंग स्किल्स उसकी डेवलप होंगी, वो एक प्रॉपर टीम प्लेयर बनेगा अपनी लाइफ में आगे इंशाल्लाह. जब भी कभी जाकर वो मैनेजर बनेगा, ही विल बी अ वेरी वेरी गुड मैनेजर बिकॉज ऑफ द स्किल्स दैट ही विल डेवलप एट अ वेरी वेरी अर्ली एज. तो इट्स अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव product that we are actually bringing into the market, and we are introducing it through cricket.
Very good. Last question, Joseph bhai. So this is not only for boys. You guys are inviting, I believe, girls as well.
Yeah.
So do you have girls coaches as well? Like how exactly is going to work out?
Yeah, so we have a girl coach as of now. Hiba will be joining us.
So Hiba is a national Canadian team player and she will be joining you. That's very good.
We are fortunate to have her, which will also give us another group of kids, young girls who are interested in the game. Because in the world of cricket, you can see the cricketing countries are growing now.
Right.
The popularity among the girls are also growing, among the women's are also growing. And we thought, why not we introduce that? Why don't we have a grassroots? Just for our also people who are watching this, this is a grassroots level cricket club now. We'll be spending most of our time with the youth, teaching them the game. We have a very experienced player here, Arun Bhai, who's here, who's played in all levels, and he's going to place that curriculum and he's going to hand it over to us, and we are going to take it from there. And having Hiba over there, and I would encourage, if there's some other good cricketers who are women cricketers out there would like to come and join us, please. It would be a great opportunity for our younger generation of girls to come up with confidence and play this game. Like Arun Bhai said, it's not only about the game, it's in their future. If they want to go ahead, the biggest problem that we have in our youth is confidence. And I think this is a place where we are not only going to teach the game, we are going to teach them confidence, self-esteem. Nothing is impossible. That's what we are going to teach them. And again, having Hiba part of this is going to expand our club, and we'll have every skill level over there.
Very good, very good. So I believe there are trials coming up on May 24th and 25th of this month. So if you would like to pitch to the audience who are watching and they would like to join in, anyone.
Okay, do join MCC, Milton Cricket Club. It will be a great opportunity for yourself, for your kid, for your child, to develop skills that the child might be lacking. I do have kids, और वो सारा दिन screen के सामने होते हैं, और they don't have communication skills. You need to work on I need to work on developing their communication skills. So, baby, your kid is going through the same. Or this is one of the best platforms that we are providing in Milton for not only for a child to be physically active, but to actually have that motivation to become a team player and manage his entire team.
So again, like Arun Bhai said, we are not here to judge anyone. We want everyone to come. We are inviting everyone who is interested in the game of cricket. It doesn't matter what kind of skill level you're on. You're invited. You can come. We will be there. We will be happy to explain to you. Even if you've never heard the game of cricket, we'll teach you from the letter of A or from one infinite knowledge that we have within ourselves. We'll give it to you, and we hope that this club grows and also help the kids also grow with it.
Very good. Thank you so very much for joining the show. और before I leave, I'll leave with you एक छोटी सी वीडियो है जिसमें Joseph bhai and the other coaches are technically training the kids under YCL. We just wanted to show you the glimpse of that, and that will be much more which you will see in Milton Cricket Club by having such great individuals there. So see you inshallah next week with different program on EOSCL Sports Roundup. Thank you so very much for watching.